Hello, we are the U team and we are very happy to present our product towards the Azure Developer League Hackathon. We have taken the theme retail and we hope you like our product. Well, what are we providing? We are providing a solution for most of the fundamental issues that you face in the retail store. The first one is misplacement of the objects. You must have seen that there will be a lot of items that are misplaced in other shelves from the original shelves in the retail stores. For an instance, you could be searching for Pantene or you could be searching for Head and Shoulders, but it would have some other items into the Head and Shoulders rack. This is called misplacement or misfit. We are identifying that and we will alert the retailer to avoid this problem. The second, we are also identifying the empty slots in the retail stores. One item could be selling very fast and so it becomes empty much faster. So we need to identify that and we are doing that through our product. And finally, we also get you a very important thing. You need not wait in queue anymore for billing. We automate the billing through AI process and it is barcodeless. You are going to see all those three and we provide you the personalized store assortment, the smart space optimization, the automatic barcodeless AI billing. These three are built by us and we have used the complete power of Azure. So we are providing personalized store assortment and it is done to leverage individual store needs and to increase the visibility of retail items, which is very important. And coming to the smart space optimization, we have done it to accommodate more retail items in the shelves. And finally, we cannot wait in the queue anymore. It's really panicking when you wait in the queue for a longer time for billing. So your shopping time is getting much more bigger because of the billing time. So we reduce that and we are identifying each of the components precisely using the dimension measurement and we could build it much more faster. Well, this is what we are requesting you to do. We need the input video stream and that goes into our system. We get all these three, the smart space optimization, the personalized store assortment and AI-based billing done in seconds. All these are real time. Well, this is our architecture. The input can be a CCTV footage or a pre-recorded footage or it can be live mobile stream. It goes into our system which is powered by Azure and we do the object detection, the localization and classification happens and we use fast RCNN for the same. And then we identify in real time the product, the misplaced object, the empty space localization, all these are done real time. Also, to add weightage to the product, we estimate the dimension of the model, we estimate the weight of the product, we estimate the weight of the object and we can tell you what exactly is the cost of the particular product. We use this for automated billing and the entire process is fully automated and what you get is the bill generated within seconds when you use our system. The system predicts the cost of each and every product very nicely without any delay. So we provide you all these things in seconds, real time, particularly all these are accurate as well. Now, coming to the technological aspects of it, we have trained our system with more than 1000 images and we have considered the Ariel, the Tide, the Pampers, Head and Shoulders, Whisper and Pantene. These are considered because these are the most sold items we understood and we can add more to it based on the input and based on the suggestions given by you. The video feed is in the MP4 format right now and we are sending it as input into our system and the system does rest of the work. Well, we've got 99% accuracy right now and this is scalable. You want to add more products, give us some time, some images, that's all, that's done. It's time for us to see the demo. I'm very hopeful that you will like our demo.
We are launching our system and the input is a video feed that we have taken from the nearby supermarket and you can see that it's getting launched. The moment it is launched, the world of working is very simple and easier. You can see the Ariel is recognized right now and it's 99% accurately we are able to recognize and every time this is functioning fine. Irrespective of the shape, irrespective of the container shape, irrespective of the color, we are able to recognize everything properly. This is because of the extensive training that we have done and this is all real time and accurate. We can now test any product, we can now identify any product like this and we have tested it for Ariel. We are going to go to the different color of Ariel package also right now. We have tested Tide, which you can see in the next set of demo as well. We have tested Pampers. All these are working fine and I am definitely hopeful you will appreciate it. Here you can see that the color of Ariel is different here. I mean the package, the color, everything is different but still it works fine. Let us go to the next functionality. This module will help us identify the empty slots as well as misplaced items. Once it is launched, it will perfectly tell you what are all the components in the rack. For example, now Tide is identified properly, irrespective of what color cover it has got, what packaging structure it has got, we are able to identify it accurately close to 100%. and you can see that misplaced is 0 right now, empty slots is 1. The empty slot 1 is nothing but the one free slot which is available on the left hand side of the rack, and that shows that you can keep one more component there. I mean one more packet of Tide over there which can be sold. Now we purposefully misplace Pampers there. The moment you keep Pampers, it is recognized accurately as Pampers, and misplaced item has got Pampers listed into it, which can let the storekeeper know that the items are getting misplaced, and this can be replaced back into the previous place perfectly. Also, we can have one more packet of Tide to be kept there, which can help the customers to pick it up. Now I am picking up Tide purposefully to see if the empty slots are updated properly. You can see the empty slot is 1 now, but still the misplaced remains the same. It is Pampers which is misplaced into the Tide rack. All these are real time, and we are able to achieve accuracy which is very appreciable, and we are always close to 100% accuracy. We are going to go with some more testing here. I am lifting the Pampers now. Now the empty slots has got increased to 2, and we can keep 2 more packets of Tide here is the message that we are conveying the storekeeper. Now I am going to lift one more to see if the count increases properly. The empty slots have become 3 right now, which is definitely appreciable. Now I am going to do the final stuff where you can see that the count gets increased properly. I have taken all the 4 out and 4 slots are empty. This will definitely help us in arranging things in the rack properly, as well as to avoid the items getting misplaced and misarranged in the supermarket.
We are getting into the most exciting part of the product, is AI-based automatic billing. This can be done with ease, and the demo would be most easier for you to understand, and we are going ahead with the demo right now. The first product is kept, which is Ariel, and it is one product and the total cost is 100. We are keeping the next product for the same customer, and it's Tide and it's recognized properly, and it's again one product, total is 150. Now I'm going to keep another Tide to see if the Tide number has been increased, and cost also should be increased, which has happened as you can see in front of you. Let me keep another Ariel, and you could see that it's 2 in numbers right now, and the cost also has increased. So this way we can definitely make sure that the customers need not wait for a longer time in the queue, and this automated billing using AI and the power of Azure has been completely used to make sure that the customers get seamless as well as perfect retailing experience. Well, we hope you like our demo. We believe that our solution will help retailers leverage technology to further to aid and to abet their businesses. Thank you very much for the opportunity, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.